In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix VAN 9101 attestation failure inside League of Legends. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before I start with the fixes, we need to understand what this actually means. So this error happens when Riot Vanguard can't verify that your PC is secure, basically. So this usually means something like secure boot, TPM, UEFI Vanguard itself didn't load properly. So the anti-cheat thinks your system isn't trusted. Even if nothing is wrong, it's basically Vanguard blocking League because it can't complete its security check during startup, often due to BIOS settings, window updates, or corrupted Vanguard files. So what I'm going to do is just run down these fixes one by one. Okay, so the first fix is to restart your PC. So this is required for Vanguard. So Vanguard must start before Windows finishes booting. So a restart is the fastest and most common way to fix this. So just obviously click on start, go to power restart. After reboot, launch League again. Now, if this doesn't work, come back to this video and I'll go through the next few fixes. The next fix is to update your BIOS and Windows. So old BIOS or outdated Windows can cause these attestation failures. So to update Windows, go ahead and get in the settings. And now from here, we need to, on the left-hand side, we need to click onto Windows Update. And now from here, if you got any updates or pending updates, just go ahead and go through with it. So now for me, I need to restart my computer because as it states, it's already done the update. Now I need to go ahead and restart. And then once I've done that, that's going to help me get back into the game. Now, another fix we can try is reset the network integrity. So this is optional, but it helps. So Vanguard attestation checks rely on stable networking. So what we need to do is open up the command prompt. So go to search, type in CMD, and then run this as administrator. So once you've got this up, I'm just going to have to put my password in to get this up. All right, so in here, so I'm just going to open up a notepad, and now this is what you need to put inside that notepad. All right, so I've got that. Now I'm going to copy this code. All right, so basically take a screenshot of that, and this is what we need to go ahead and copy into here. So I'm just going to minimize this. Now I'm going to paste that in like so, and now it's going to run and do its thing. Then from there, restart after running this. And now the last fix here is to enable secure boot in BIOS. So I just need to open up my notepad again here. And now the best way to do this is I'm just going to type it in here, take a screenshot on your phone or whatever, because your computer's going to be off. So basically restart your PC, press your BIOS keys. This could be F2, F10, delete, F12, depending on your brand. Then from there, go to boot or security tab, then find secure boot, enable, save and exit. If security boot is grayed out, switch boot mode, UEFI, not legacy, then reboot again. So hopefully one of these fixes is going to work for you.